In this video, I will show you how to share your designs in Canva. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to share your designs in Canva, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to Canva and log into your account. And once you're logged in, what you want to do is select a design that you want to share. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and select this YouTube thumbnail I created. That's going to take us to the design page for this design. So what you now want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see the share button up here. First, what you want to do is give that a click. Then what you need to do is come down to where it says access level. At the moment, you can see it set to say only you can access. So you actually want to click onto this and change it to anyone with the link, which means that anyone can access this design using a link. So what you can then do once you've done that is come and click onto the purple copy link button. Then what you can do is open up a new tab and basically send that however you want, whether that's through Messenger. You just simply need to press paste and you can paste the share link here. Now, another way to share this is what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner, and once you've changed the access level, if you look just above, you can see it says people with access. What we can do is actually click onto the search box here and we can actually go ahead and type a email address that we want to send through. So for example, Tech Tutor contact, and what we can do is add a message, which is optional if you want to, and then come down and click the share button. So what that's going to do is actually send a invite to that person's email with the link, which they'll be able to click on, and then they can of course access the design to edit or whatever basically you want them to do with the design. So that is how to share your designs in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.